All right, let's talk about tuples, which is another data type in Python. This is our today's topic. So let's save this file as tuples.py. Now let us talk about, let's say, we talked about lists earlier, right? So we talked about like list is ordered, changeable, and allows duplicate values. Now, tuples are just like lists, but there is one major difference between list and tuples. Like just like list is also used for storing multiple items in a single variable. Uh, the same goes for tuples. Tuples are also used for storing multiple items in a single variable. So the definition of tuple is that like tuples are ordered, just like list. However, they are unchangeable. This is where it makes it different from the list, and it also allows duplicate values. Okay. So let's say we take a tuple with the name of let's take vegetables this time. Vegetables. And also one more difference between a list and a tuple is that in list you are supposed to you normally take list as in like this with these brackets, right? But in tuple the brackets are different. You have to take brackets like these. So let's say there is like tomato, potato, potato, and what else do we have? Cabbage. I think these are enough. So now let's print them out. So this is a tuple. So let's run it. Here it is. So in a tuple, you cannot do any changes. However, you can access and update and everything. Like let's say I have to access print vegetables and let's take 0. I just want the first item to be printed. So it will print it out as like this. All right. So file and save. And the same goes for negative indexing. Vegetables -1, Control S, and let's like this. So this is how we can have access, or if we want a certain ones, vegetables from like let's say 0 to 1, 0 to 2. I want 2 of these items to be printed like this. So I'll do that. All right. So this is how tuple works. However, you can also like we discussed it earlier in our previous videos how we can have items which like let's say you want to get started from vegetables and let's save it like this, print vegetables, and let's this is like it will print all the start from the start till the end or till the value where you need it, and this will start with index and it will keep printing until the end. This is how it works. So this is it. All right. So this is how the tuples work. Next in line, we have dictionary, which we will discuss in our next video. So see you guys next in the next video.